Okay, so we have a sets problem now, right? This is an IGCSE question. So we've got our universal set, all numbers from 1 to 10, all integer numbers from 1 to 10. This could be sometimes given as positive A integers, right? And then you would have to say that x, such that x is less or equal than 10, and x is an element of positive integers. This would mean exactly the same set as this universal set. Okay? So A is x such that x is a prime number, and B is x such that x is an even number. So what would those sets be? If my universal set is only numbers from 1 to 10, so in set A, we'll have only prime numbers. So 2, 3, 5, and 7. What about even numbers? So even 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. And C, another set, whatever set it is, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 8. Could be, I don't know, somebody's favorite numbers. Now, number 1, complete the Venn diagram to show the elements of each set. So first of all, let's take a look at the intersections, right? So what do they have in common? What do all of those sets have in common? Well, I've got 2 here, 2 here, and 2 here. They all have it. And I think that's only it. Because, for example, those 3, 5, and 7, 3, 5, and 7, yeah, 3 is here, but it's not here. So 2 is the only element which is in all 3 sets at the same time. Now, what about the intersection of A and B? So if we look at A and B, what do they have in common? Besides 2, nothing. So here will be empty. You don't have to put anything in here, right? Now, what about intersection of A and C? So A and C, we also have 3, right? There's also 3 here. And what about B and C? Well, B and C, so 4 and 8, right? Now what do we do? Well, let's take a look at C, for instance. Which elements have I not represented yet? So 1, and yeah, only 1. What about set A? Which elements of set A have I not represented yet? 5 and 7. Set B, I have represented 2, 4, and 8, so I'm missing 6 and 10. And now if we look at our universal set, which numbers have we already represented? So 1 is there, 2 is there, 3 is there, 4 is there, 5 is there, 6 is in B, 7 is in A, 8 is in B, 9. Ooh, 9. 9 is here. It's in none of those. And 10. We should have 10 elements. So if we add those up, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have done it. Now write down the value of the number of elements of A union B union C, complement of that. So not A union B or union C. So A union B union C would be everything which is inside of any of them, right? If it's inside in at least one of them, you will have to consider. So this green thing here would be A union B union C. If I take A union B union C not, or the complement of that, I would be getting what's outside of them, right? Anything that's not inside of any of them. So the only element that I have there is 9. So the number of elements in that set would be 9.